Unit 8, Lesson 1 Test. Number 1. In which model of the solar system does the Sun revolve around the Earth? A. Geocentric model. B. Heliocentric model. C. Copernican model. Number 2. An astronomer observes 4 stars from 2 different locations on the Earth. For which star will the astronomer observe the greatest parallax? A. The star that is 3.41 astronomical units from Earth. B. The star that is 4.2 astronomical units from Earth. C. The star that is 6.8 astronomical units from Earth. Number 3. Which scientist explained the parallax problem by theorizing that there were no visible parallax because the stars were very far away? A. Aristotle. B. Bilbo Baggins. C. Aristarchus. Number 4. Johannes Kepler mathematically determined the motion of the planets in our solar system. He stated those results in his laws of planetary motion. According to these laws, how do planets move in the solar system? A. Circular orbits around Earth. B. Elliptical orbits around Earth. C. Elliptical orbits around the Sun. Number 5. When looking at certain stars, astronomers observe no parallax. This parallax problem can be explained with different models. Which statement supports a geocentric model of the parallax problem? A. Earth is not moving, so no parallax exists. B. The stars are too close for visible parallax. C. Observation points different, so there is no visible parallax. Number 6. The diagram below shows several objects in space. Which of these choices best identifies what the diagram shows? A. Location of comets. B. Geocentric star system. C. Heliocentric solar system. Number 7. Copernicus challenged the way in which people of his time thought about the solar system. How did Copernicus describe the solar system? A. The Earth revolves around the Sun. B. The Sun revolves around the Earth. C. The Sun revolves around the Moon. Number 8. Which is the definition of the solar system? A. The Earth and all the bodies that orbit the Earth. B. Just the planets which orbit the Sun. C. The Sun and all of the bodies that orbit the Sun. Number 9. According to the model developed by Copernicus, what causes day and night on Earth? A. Earth rotates on its axis. B. Planets orbit the Sun in elliptical paths. C. All parts of the solar system move in circular paths. Number 10. Which term describes the apparent shift in the position of an object when a person views it from different locations? A. Ellipses. B. Parallax. C. Axis of rotation. Number 11. According to Copernicus, what causes the year and seasons on Earth? A. The moon's revolution around the Earth. B. Earth's revolution around the Sun. C. Earth's movement relative to Jupiter. Number 12. This diagram illustrates a historical model of the solar system. Which type of model is shown? A. Geocentric model. B. Heliocentric model. C. Aristarchian model. Number 13. How many moons did Galileo discover orbiting Jupiter? A. 1 moon. B. 2 moons. C. 4 moons. Number 14. What is Kepler's second law? A. That planets move faster when they get near the Sun. B. That planets travel at the same speed at all times. C. The smaller the planet, the larger the moons will be. Number 15. Which type of solar system model did Aristotle propose? A. Geocentric. B. Heliocentric. C. Plutocentric.